my name's Zahara, and my mom owns Bushras Lifestyle. Yeah, she's the one behind the camera over there. So usually she's in the video, but not today, because today it's me. So I'm going to be showing some stuff that my mom got from the dollar store. A magical place where everything's only $1. So, I'm going to show her this stuff. The first thing is this. My mom actually got these pillows from the dollar store. And she's going to get 2 more. Because for these, my grandma's going to cut this part off for both of them. And then put both of them, each of them on a red shirt to make DIY Valentine's Day shirts. One for my sister, one for me. So here's a pink one, oh, this big. So my grandma, she can do some sort of magic. Oh no, she can do absolute magic, really. Like, most of the stuff I wear is my mom's old clothes. So, but they've been shrunken. Okay, so my mom got these pink shirts that are humongous. I don't see how this will fit me anytime soon, unless I put a belt over and become a dress, and it becomes a dress. But it's gonna become very tiny, just this tiny. As tiny as my unicorn. As tiny as this shirt, so it fits me because my unicorn's even tinier than the shirt. And so we have these 2 shirts, and he got some shirts. He got these shirts. This very dark blue one. I have the exact same color but long sleeve. And then this gray one, which will also turn tiny for him. So next, actually are these trays. So you can put candles on them. My mom got 3. My little helper right here is going to show you guys this. So we've already put candles there, and my mom also got this matching pillow. It's golden and it's shiny, and Me's like shiny. So you can just put candles on and it looks really nice. I have to put everything down to the ground. You play with that. She also got these foam hearts. Now you play with that. And you can put googly eyes on them. Speaking of googly eyes, we've got these googly eyes, which are really cute. Well, they're not exactly googly eyes, but they look like googly eyes. I thought they were googly eyes. But you can just stick these on one of them. There's purple, pink, and red. And you can have a whole entire craft. You can even put a mouth on it with the Sharpie. But yeah, these are really cute. These are little felt hearts with gems in them. There's red and pink, and it looks like they're stickers. I don't think they're stickers. Oh, these are gonna go for my shirt. That's nice. I think they're gonna go around the heart. And we've got these things, which I don't know what they are. I think. Oh, I want to read the back. Okay, this is tissue paper. It's something. Yeah, this tissue paper. We have these long red candles. There's 2 in each pack. So we got 6 candles. And you can put them in candle holders. We also have these bags because we're going to fill them up with chocolate and give one to the librarian, the office ladies, and our teachers at school. And we might as well keep 1 or 2 eggs. Yeah, we're doing it, teachers. Yeah, you can give some to friends. Next are these notebooks that, like, basically it's a little list pad. You can write down your list of things to do. Blogging list. You can put your name. You can put your phone number. People's phone numbers. Hold up. This to-do list. List of things. This got all the months in it, which I think is cool. Yeah. Next, we have these pink pens. We have these pink pens, which I don't know. You can just use them for whatever you want. Honestly, it's a pen, so use it for whatever you want. Bless you. We have these little, this burlap ribbon. We have this pink ribbon. Let me snap it. This tan ribbon with lace. So you can use these for crafts and stuff, which is basically crafts. We got this brush for fun for my sister. And we have this, which you can get at the dollar store. It's decor. Yeah, it says decor. So if you see something that says decor and it's metal words, then this might be it. It says love and Valentine on it. I don't know how I can read that, but I somehow can because I am very, very good at reading. And we are basically done, but I'm gonna very quickly show something for a Ghostbusters party if you want to do it. You can also use it for non-Ghostbuster parties. So we got this nice bowl, and then we have these little fake green moss, which smells really bad. So you're gonna stick this at the bottom. I can open it. I can open it. So I'm going to show you guys. That's chunky. It's very chunky. So you got that, and then we have these cute little pots. No, we already opened it. And you're just going to pull it out, and I get to keep the pot. And then you have to twist these out, and you can just stick them in, and you got yourself a nice bad smelling bowl. The moth. No, you need to spray it with air freshener before you let anyone have it. It could damage your lungs. Here you go. I made this, and it actually looks like there's eyeballs. But I wanted to make a do it yourself, so I did the fastest one you can possibly do. You could add as much moss as you want. You could even overflow the thing with moss. And you can put as many flowers as you want. Now, one thing. My unicorn has something to say for you. Subscribe and click the bell. It'll let you know whenever we post a new video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and let us know in the comments below what you'd like to see us do. Bye!